the channel. In this video, I am going to explain a very useful final year projects and called is AI-based Assistant Evaluator Systems. This is not just a normal assistant uploading projects. This is an AI-powered systems where teacher can create an assignment and students can submit the answers. And AI automatically check the answers, give the marks, feedbacks, and missing points, and also provide the suggestions. So basically, this project help in the teacher to save the times and help students to get the instant feedbacks. This project is best for the final year students because it includes the AI, OCR, PDF uploading, anti-cheating trackings, authentications database and dashboards, and also API integrations. Like we are using an open API to use AI in these projects. Now let's understand the full project step by steps. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel as we have uploaded lots of projects in different programming languages and also AI related. Now the complete detail of this project, like the descriptions of this project, you can check from our website. You just need to go to the updategar.com. After that, you need to select AI related projects. Now you will see the first project, AI based assistant. Then you need to select this project. Here you can see all the details of this project that we have used. About the projects and the programming languages, frameworks, database, authentications, project types, all the things are available inside this page. You can take a look on this page. The key features also, you can see the key features. Now let's explain the overview of this project. In this project, we have two main modules. One is teacher and second one is students. Teachers can create the assignments and student can submit the answer sheets or answer, and then AI evaluate the answer according to the questions according to the questions and the answer that you have provided to the teachers. And the best part of this project is that you also upload an PDF or you can type manually. So let's log in with this project. Whenever you open this project, it automatically give an interesting and a beautiful UI. Like this is a home page of this project, and also you can see the animations of this project that will look interesting. Now this is the flow of this project. We are using GPT-4 and PDF uploading plus QR OCR, anti-cheating monitoring. Like you cannot change the you cannot change the tab. Whenever you change the tab, it will automatically suggest that you have doing the window blur or anything according to that. Smart sharing feedback also, and professional dashboard, how it's going to work, that also explained in this page. You can take a look, or while explaining to your teachers, you can also explain from here. Now let's come to the login page of this project. First, the teacher is login. Now let's select the credentials. I have already added in demo credentials. You can also create new one. You need to go to the registration page and you can create a new. I have selected the already set credentials. Select the login. Now it automatically login and it navigate us to the teacher dashboard. From there, teacher can create any assignments. So now teacher can add assignments, titles, questions, and model answers, and marks for each questions according to their questions. You can see we have on the teacher dashboard there are 4 assignments, 6 submissions, 4 evaluated, 0 pendings, and the average score is 43. 2 suspicious. Like these are the 4 assignments that this teacher has already shared to the students. You can take a look. Like if a teacher want to see that assignments, then they can see the results. Okay, I think no one has submit this assignments, so we can take a look another one. Now for this you can see the result also. The student name, score, and the percentage type is PDF. Anti cheatings, that these students how many times they have tried to cheat, and submission date and with the times. You can take a look with the details also. If I click on the detail, it will show the entire details of these projects, like entire detail of these assignments. Here you can see the submissions type, submission time, and the type, and you can see the average score is 50%. Overall feedback, and you can see that actively detected window blur time 2 means the student try to switch the windows, so it will show that the how many number of time the student had tried to switch the windows. The question number 1, you can see The question number is 1. Student has given this answer and AI has given the suggestions. I think at that time I didn't edit the API key. Now we can take a look with the another and fresh assignments. So let's these students let's this teacher try to create another fresh assignments. Now let's select new assignments, and now we need to add the assignment titles and the descriptions. So I have already questions. And I just need to paste the questions and answer for that. Now I have added the titles and the descriptions of these assignments. The total number of marks. I am adding the total number of marks is 20, and the due date, you can add the due date is 27, like 28. And now I need to select the question 1 and then answer according to that. What is an operating system? Explain its main functionality. Now I have added the model answer. This is a model answer, and the total marks for this is 10. Now I need to add one another question to complete these marks. So now I have added two questions, and each question has the score of 10 marks. Now there is a one special functionality that you want to share this assignment to all students or to the specific students. If I select the specific, so it will automatically goes to these students, or if I want to select the all students, then it will automatically goes to all the students. All assignment, this assignment will visible all the registered students, and for here you can share to the individual. So for now I am creating for all the students and create the assignments. So now we have created the operating systems assignments. You can see the result is 0, and I can also share that assignment from here if I want to share that assignment to specific students. Now let's log in with the student panel. Now I have log out from the admin and try to log in with the student panel. I have already set up these credentials for the demo and login. Now I have login as an student. You can see I have submitted the 4 assignments. 2 is completed. Average score is 50%. Best score is 50%. I can see my old assignment also from here. If I go and select these assignments, so you can see all the assignments that I have submitted. And if I want to see all the assignments, I need to select the assignments from here or view assignments. So it will show all the assignments and with the due date also, like this is 30 June and this is for 26 June, like today, and this is already expired. This is this assignment is for 28 June. So I need to open this operating systems one. Now here I have the two options. One is typing and another one is upload. If I if I try to upload an image, or I can upload in PDF only, not an image. So I need to select this one and it will ask me to upload an option. So I'm going with the typing, and then I will show you how it anti-cheating monitor activated after switching or copy pasting or window blur options. So let's start with this one. What is an operating system, and explain the functionality. So I'm just opening a new tab and back to this. You can see that it will automatically show tab switch and window blur one, means one time window has blur. If I go another one and back to this page, it will show tab switch 2 and window blur 2 times. If I select one copy paste option, now I have copied, and it will automatically says that switch type is 3 and window blur is 4. I'm just pasting here. You can see that the copy and pasting is 2, means I have copied somewhere and pasted here. Window blur is 4, means window blur time is 4. So you can see that I have submitted one answer and I'm going to submit for another one also. So I'm just copy that and paste it here. By mistakenly I have pasted the another answer. So that was for the first one, and for the second one I am pasting the second answer. Now here is the second answer. You can see all the things are automatically here. Tab switch, copy pasting option, window blur is 4. I'm just pasting another one, and this time is copy paste is 6. Now I try to submit. It will ask me that suspicious activities detected in your session, submit anyway, and I can submit this one. It will automatically give me the feedbacks and also the missing points in my assignments at the same time, and also give me the score at the end. You can see that I have a score as 22%, means only that I got the 1 marks, and similarity is low. You can see And this time I also like device management, access control, and user interface. These are the missing points. And for the suggestion from the AI, you can see that these are the suggestions from the AI. And second question, you can see these options are missing, and these are the suggestions from the AI. And the score is 4.5 out of 20. And the method is typing, and submitting date is and time. So I can back to my assignments, and I can see that these are my assignments, and the score is 4.2. At this point I don't need any teachers. It will automatically evaluate it and give me the correct result of my score. Like I have not submitted as per the marks like 10. I have just submitted for this assignment as per the 2 marks only. I have given a few details only. Now if I log in from the admin panel, I can see the result. Like this is the operating systems, and I can see the results. These students, demo students that submitted the result, and also show the anti-threading, means they have submitted some suspicious activity, and this activity also displays here. You can see that these are also shows at the teacher end, and the score also, these are the score you can see. Now I'm going to log in again within students and check that I can score 100% if I'm giving the correct answer. So let's check that scenario also. I have entered the details. Now I'm going to create an account. Account has created. Go to the assignments, select the assignments. Now this time I am going to provide the correct answer, and let's check if I'm getting the score or not, and the similarity if I'm not getting the correct score. Now I've entered, means I have copy and pasted the data from the notepad. But whenever you are getting this answer correctly, so you need to type from here. Then at that time this copy paste option is not display, means it will only 0, and the window blur is also 0. So at that time there is no suspicious activity, and you are in a fair manner. So I'm just selecting this and submit AI evaluations, so it will evaluate the answer. And let's see the score I'm getting. So now the score is 20, means I am getting 10 out of 10. Last time we are getting only the 2, I think we are getting the 4.5 score, but this time we are getting the full out of full. And we are not getting any suggestions also this time, like the missing point or something else. And so you can showcase this project to your last to your teachers or to your professors also. And the two features like the anti-cheating modes, let's talk about this one interesting feature, typing mode with the anti cheat. In the typing mode, when the students start writing answer directly on the websites, while the students is writing, the system is monitoring some activities, like it track the tab switching, it track the copy paste attempts whenever you are writing any questions. So it will automatically track your copy paste, track your window blur events. For example, if a students open this in another tab many times, so the system is recorded, and whenever this student is copy pasting, you have already seen that it will display here. So this is an interesting feature. If the limit is crossed, the submission is get flagged, means we have set a limit. If the limit has crossed, then currently we don't have set any limits, but if you can set the limit also. If the limit is crossed, then the assignment is flagged, then you cannot submit that assignment. Now let's understand the main brain of this project, the AI evaluations engines. The AI evaluation use two technology, AI engines using two technology. First one is OpenAI, and second one is sentence transformers. So the first one is that whenever you give any answer to the assignments, so it give the marks, feedbacks, and missing points, and also the suggestions. And after giving this, the sentence transformer check the semistic similarity. Semantic similarity means that it's checking the meaning of the answer. For example, if the model's answer says one thing, and the students explain the same thing in a different words, so the systems can understand and give the correct score, and also calculate the correct score. Finally, scores are divided on the two things, like the 70% based on the AI evaluations, and the 30% are semantic similarities. So the open AI has more importance, but the similarity has also the final scores. So these two things are depend to each other, and it will give the at the and these two things give the scores at the end. And you have already checked, whenever we are providing the incorrect answer, so it gives the score 4 point something, and whenever we are providing the correct answer, at that time we are getting the score is 20. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good